Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life Channel. I hope you're doing great, and in this video today we are going to prepare a wonderful recipe that will help you to lighten your skin. It will also give your skin many other benefits, but the main property of this recipe is to lighten and whiten your skin, help your skin with discoloration. The main ingredient in our recipe is going to be turmeric, so I'm going to use just a regular turmeric spice. And if you're not familiar with the turmeric, it's of course it's mainly used for spicing various dishes, and it's actually a plant of a ginger family, and it has a very vivid golden yellow color. That color comes from a very powerful compound that turmeric contains, and it's called curcumin. It's a very strong antioxidant. It has wonderful benefits for your overall health as well if you decide to take it internally. But first, let's see how we can prepare this simple recipe. I will also give you a variation of this recipe, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the application and the great benefits of turmeric for your skin. So I cannot give you really the exact amounts of turmeric and lemon or lime juice you're going to use. You need to actually add lemon juice to the turmeric until you reach the desired consistency, so it forms a paste. But I would say I guess the proper ratio would be 2:1. Let's say I'm going to use a teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm going to add lemon juice until I've reached the desired consistency of a paste. See, I need a little more. It's a good idea to strain the lemon and lime juice before using it, so it's a very even paste, has no lemon or lime. A little more. See? Here you go. I would say this is a perfect consistency because turmeric spice is like a flour. You will have no problem mixing it into the paste. So I would say this is something you need to have. This is your paste. You could store it, cover it in the refrigerator if you need just a little bit of it. But as with any DIY product, you better, use it as soon as you can. Besides, if you store it in the refrigerator, it might dry. So the next recipe is when you're using the oil. For the oil, I'm going to use about a tablespoon of turmeric. I'm using coconut oil, but you definitely need to use whatever feels good for you. I'll add a little more. And here you go. It's a wonderful paste. Of course, if you see that your paste is a little runny, you could add a little more turmeric. See? This is a paste we're making with the oil. It's a little smoother, of course, because of the oil, but this is the consistency you need for your paste. So we're done with preparing our two recipes here. As you can see, this recipe takes absolutely no time, and you could enjoy it every second day or even on a daily basis if you want to treat some areas with the pigmentation, acne scars. I would also need to mention here that lemon juice might give you a stinging sensation, so if you do know that you're not doing really well with lemon juice, do a little patch test on the back of your hand. I always advise this for any new skin products and even DIY skin products that you're doing, because you want to be on the safe side and see that your skin's reaction to this or that recipe is really good. The way you use this mask, you need to apply it on the desired area or all over your face. You leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. If you feel that your skin doesn't feel comfortable with the lemon juice, you could definitely reduce the amount to 5 or 10 minutes. That's absolutely fine. Well, again, the frequency of this mask, the way you use it, you could use it on a daily basis if you want to just treat some spots, which need some extra care. I wouldn't recommend doing all over face mask on a daily basis. I would say 2-3 times a week would be nice. If you want to treat any discoloration on any part of your body, you are absolutely free to do so. And you use it until the desired results are reached. If you are applying turmeric mask, especially if you leave it overnight on your face, you do need to remember that it will stain the pillowcases, it will stain your clothes. So every time you work with with turmeric. You need to always remember that. So you probably need to cover the sleeping area with some old towel. I would really advise you to use this mask every time before going to bed. So if you are washing it away and then the next morning you wash your face again, you use the toner, the yellow color will definitely go away. I won't recommend you to use any soap after making this mask because it will really reduce the healing properties. Besides, if you're leaving it overnight, in the morning you will need to wash your face the regular way. You could probably use some oatmeal face cleanser because it will really gently scrub your face, and then you use the toner, and I'm pretty sure that you will be happy with the results. You can also check out my video where I'm sharing a recipe for the turmeric body scrub. Well, to begin with, turmeric, it's widely used for skin. It has medicinal properties to heal the burns, even if you take it internally. It reduces your face pigmentation, as we've spoken earlier, helps you with the dark spots, and also reduces the free radicals. If you're choosing a spice in the store, you could buy it in bulk, of course, if you're using it a lot, and you can buy it organic, so if you want to have a less chance of any unwanted chemicals in your product. If you decide to use it with the oils, I will put like the best oils in my view, non-comedogenic, in the description bar down below this video. Every time you're applying a mask with the turmeric, do make sure you avoid, sensitive areas like under your eyes, and also if you have any cuts, so your skin doesn't feel uncomfortable. I also love using turmeric because it really helps to prevent the aging, loss of elasticity. It helps skin to reduce the inflammation. It helps with the sun damage. It is great for oily skin, and besides also for people suffering from psoriasis, eczema, and rosacea. But of course, if you have rosacea, you have very sensitive inflamed skin, I wouldn't recommend you using the mask with the lemon juice. You could opt for using turmeric with honey or even with milk. I would also recommend you to start taking turmeric internally for various health benefits. It helps to fight infection, but what you need to remember every time you're just, putting some turmeric on your food, or if you're taking it in the supplement form, you always need to make sure that along with the turmeric, you consume some black pepper and fat. This increases the absorption of the turmeric dramatically. So I really hope you guys like this video. You will share with us the results and any tips probably or recipes that you have of your favorites using turmeric. If you guys like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy, very healthy, enjoy every single day of your life, and I'll see you in my next video.